Morning everyone, Jesse Webb, TradersPro. Let's look at market conditions today as of yesterday's update. Again, not much changing here. That's going to be fairly consistent, although we actually have had this move from mildly bullish and moving again up in this bear market. So the markets are still trying to churn out some kind of a bottom here now for the last couple of months. Still having that bullish tendency, kind of that bullish feel right here. Our momentum indicator, we talked about this yesterday, it actually did bump up into this range. It was sitting about right here yesterday, so now inside of that buy zone, which is the beginning of that trending direction range, at least in the short term. And we can certainly get some whipsaw action because of that longer term downtrend. So remember that in a top down approach, we're looking for what is the real long term perspective, and then from there what is a short term. So that's what this is telling us. So we're bullish short term in a bear market, long term. So that helps us manage our risk a little bit. Maybe we're trading tighter stops. Maybe we're trading smaller position sizes because there is some real strong downtrend intact. So momentum shift back up. Breadth is almost there. So these are some stealth underlying positives for the market currently. The buy-sell ratio also sitting still positive, had that little bounce back up again. So we'll see what the next few days bring. That price action is not looking super bullish in terms of SPY. We have moved back up into that uptrend here. This is part of that momentum shift. So we'll see what this looks like here. You can see each of these candlestick tails. There's a lot of tails on there, so that means there's a lot of indecision happening on this day, and then yesterday. Just kind of indecision candles. So we'll see if these support levels end up holding, or if we really start to base right here, and then this overall uptrend is still intact. That's obviously yet to be seen. Some decent stocks here in the new buy list today, and a couple that I wanted to go through. This one is an interesting little medical drug stock. Real big move yesterday, and after a decent completion of that counter trend move, that's one thing that we like to see is a three-part counter trend move with some support and then some confirmation. So you have your confirmation buy bar, you've got your risk profile here all green, which is what we want to see. That look, something like that, with the arrow sitting about right there. That's the ideal location, and that's essentially what those new buy scans are going to be looking for new uptrends. So a little medical stock there. We're also seeing basic materials, CF, in the top of the list, and then Geo, which is an interesting one. We traded it a while back quite a bit. It had a really nice uptrend, and then it's fallen out of favor, and now it's churning out that bottom with a real good confirmation bar. So also topping the list there, which is a consumer staple. So we're seeing some medical drugs, we're seeing consumer staple, we're seeing some fertilizer stocks, still some transportation, GASS also in that new buy list, and then some oil. Well, this one's not oil. This is industrial products, and I thought I saw a couple of oil, some mining stocks. There's actually some gold stocks in here as well. A couple of big gold names. We talked about that yesterday. Basic materials, we're seeing quite a few of those. So get into that new buy list this morning and take a look at that. If you don't have full access to the site, feel free to click the link below, and we've got a special offer for you today. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.